Whoops, I think we've got a bit of trouble with the old container here. Something's not quite right. Not quite right at all. All does not seem well. It's a bit windy outside to actually run it round the track. So unfortunately it's having to be confined to here. But it doesn't look good. I think we should put our lead suits on and retire to a safe distance. But at the risk of spoiling the illusion of the video, I'll just say a little bit about how this is done. Not that you will be wanting to replicate it. It's better if you see the smoke against there we are. Nicely billowing smoke. I wouldn't do it inside normal carriages and things, and it's not very controllable. So what you've got, to lift this off, is a charcoal burner that you get from a church supplies shop, and some incense. Take that piece of incense off. And of course, the advantage of this is my room is going to be filled with a lovely aroma, the aroma of the incense that comes off there. It does get quite hot, so what I tried initially was a ramekin with sand in it, wet sand. That was too big to fit under there, and so what I've now got is a foil tray filled with wet sand. But bear in mind that charcoal block there has an accelerant in it, and it burns very hot. And so although it's got wet sand in now, it will dry the sand out, it will get hot, and it will get hot enough to melt and damage the truck it's actually on. So sensors are, you know, designed to hold these things. Sensors, the things that priests wave around in services, and you wouldn't be putting your hand underneath one of those very often. But there we have it. That's my container on a wagon that's not doing everything it should. And I just stuck a couple of labels onto the side, including one there which tells you that it is radioactive.